everybody, welcome back. I'm coming on today to start a new series for you. I remember seeing about a year ago now the Bash Your Stash collaboration that they did on YouTube, and I thought, wow, that's an awesome idea. So I'm going to be creating myself going into my stash, making myself a kit, and I'm going to smash it, which means I'm going to make so many things with that one kit and trying to use up everything that's in the kit. The first thing that I'm starting with is just a clear container to put the supplies that I want to use in it. The good thing with this one is I like that the lid comes off, so you can kind of have two sections, but you can also close it up. The first thing that I'm going to do is figure out what paper I want to use. So I've grabbed out my stash of full 12 by 12s, not my 6 by 12s, and I'm just trying to see how much I have left of my... This one's still got a fair decent amount in it, and I love the colours. I think I'm going to struggle with this one here, so I'm not going to pick this. And these are all from Marigold, which is really new, so I don't think I want to use Marigold. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this one and I'm going to go through the rest and see what will go with it. So this is Maggie Holmes, this is Grape Pepper Fresh Bouquet. Okay, so this is the paper that I'm going to be working with. I have the Fresh Bouquet paper pad. I have 2 sheets of chipboard. I've got this butterfly paper, which I think is a Jen Hadfield one. This is from Sunny Days. A white glittered cardstock. And I picked the grey. And this is Amy Tan's The Shine On collection, and it's called Ambitious, but I liked the grey. And then just a piece of white cardstock that I had left lying around. So this is the colours that I'm working with. This is the colour scheme that I'm going to be working with. Then next I'm going to go through my chipboard collection. This is the Heritage It's Too Dark. I do have a full Fresh Bouquet one, but I don't really think I want to open it, but I'll pop it in there just in case. Fresh Bouquet, this is Marigold, but I don't want to use it, so I'm going to put my 2 Fresh Bouquet ones in. So they're going to go in. Next I have my specialty paper. So I have this black one, but I think it's going to be too dark. I have this Amy Tan one, which I think will be quite cool to try for a layout, so I'll pop that in there. I've got this one, which I'll pop in. Numbers one, no. This white one, I'll pop it in just because it's a scrap. I won't do that. I will put the Fresh Bouquet one in, and I'll keep the Heritage. And next I'm going into my ephemera storage, so I'm just going to go through everything and see what I want. there is my collection of ephemera, and that's going to go in the box. Now I'm going to go through all of my stickers. So here's the stickers that I've grabbed out. I did grab out this sticker collection from Fresh Bouquet. These leftover hearts, these stars that I've had for honestly 4 years. These hearts, these stars, these puffies, these flower gems, these frames, these clear stickers, these tiny word stickers, and the Sweet Story puppy bows. So they're going to go in. This is what I'm going to be working with, and stay tuned to see what I create with my new kit.